Consider the first matrix as A. A is a row matrix. What is the order? It is 1 by 3. Order of A is 1 by 3. Only one row is present, but there are 3 columns. What is B? B is a column matrix. That is 4, 3, 1. What is the order of this column matrix? 3 by 1. Now we have to find product AB. Now check the conditions. Number of columns in A. How many columns are present? 3 columns are present in A. Number of columns in A, that is 3. Number of rows in B. Number of rows in B are 3. Okay. So the condition for product AB is satisfied. Hence we say that product AB existing. Now actually we will find the product. Consider now the product, that is AB. A is a row matrix having elements 2, minus 1, 3. Here the order is 1 by 3. Okay. Into B is a column matrix, that is 4, 3, 1. 4, 3, 1. Okay. Order is 3 by 1. 3 by 1. Condition is satisfied. Number of columns in A equal to number of rows in B, and the obtained matrix is having order 1 by 1. So here product AB is a here it is having only one element, that is we will consider now taking elements of prefactor, that is row wise, and taking the elements of post factor, that is B, column wise. First row, first column. What is the position of this element? First row, first column. Only one element is present in this. So 2 into 4. 2 into 4. Product of first element plus. Now product of second element, minus 1 into 3. Minus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 1. So which gives us the matrix, that is 2 4s are 8. Then this product is minus 3 and plus 3. Plus 3 minus 3, 0, and hence the value is 8. So here we observe that the obtained product is a matrix of order 1 by 1. Now let us come to the third example here. Denoting first matrix by A and the second matrix by B. Okay. Now what is the order of A? Order of A is 3 by 3. What is the order of B? It is also 3 by 3. So here number of columns in A, that is 3. Number of rows in B, that is 3. Hence the product AB is existing. Condition for product, condition for multiplication is satisfied, and the obtained matrix is having order, that is also 3 by 3. Now let us calculate product AB. What is A? A is the first matrix of order 3 by 3. What are the elements? Minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1, 1. 2, 3, 0. 2, 3, 0. 1 minus 3, 1. 1 minus 3, 1. And matrix B is having elements 2, 1, 4. 2, 1, 4. Then 3, 0, 2. 3, 0, 2. And 1, 2, 1. Using the same procedure, here prefactor, elements of prefactor, that is A, are considered row wise, and that of post factor, that is the elements of B, are considered column wise. Then taking product of corresponding elements and their sum. We observe that there are 3 elements in each row and there are 3 elements in each column. So here we obtained 3 products and then we will consider their sum. Now first element in product matrix we will find. Now what is the position of this element? It lies in first row and first column. So we select first row and first column to obtain this element. First row, first column, 3 elements in each. Okay. So first row is having 3 elements, first column is having 3 elements. Product of corresponding elements, that is -1 into 2 plus product of second element 1 into 3 plus 1 into 1, that is the third element, product of third element. This is the first element of product matrix. Now next element we will find, this position is lies in first row, second column. So row remains as it is, we will change the column, first row, second column. So -1 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 2. Okay. Now row again same, changing the next column. So -1 into 4, -1 into 4, then plus product of second element 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So that will be the third element, first element, second element, third element. Now next element, this element lies in second row, first column. So selecting second row and first column, product of corresponding elements 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 0 into 1. Okay. Position is second row, second column, row remains as it is, changing the next, taking the next column 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 0 into 2. Okay. Now position is second row, third column, taking next column 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2 plus 0 into 1. Now what is the position of this element? This element lies in third row, first column, third row, first column, 1 into 2 plus -3 into 3, 1 into 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 1 into 1. Position is third row, second column, row is same, taking the next column 1 into 1 plus -3 into 0 plus 1 into 2. Now next element is third row, third column, 1 into 4 plus -3 into 2 -3 into 2, 1 into 1. So therefore it is equal to, now what is the product? -1 into 2, -2 plus 3 plus 1, then -1 plus 0 plus 2 -4 plus 2 plus 1. Now here 2 2s are 4 plus 9 plus 0, 2 1s are 2 plus 0 plus 0, then 2 4s are 8 plus 3 2s are 6 and plus 0, then 2 minus 9 and plus 1, 1 into 1, 1 minus 0 or plus 0 we can write, plus 2. Then 4 minus 6 and plus 1, which gives us the matrix that is now minus 2 plus 3, that is 3. Minus 2 plus 3, 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Then minus 1 plus 2, 1. Minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. 4 plus 9, 13. Then 2. 8 plus 6, 14. 2 minus 9, minus 7. Minus 7 plus 1, minus 6. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. And 4 minus 6, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. So here, this is the product matrix having order 3 by 3. So in this way, we can obtain the product or multiplication of matrices. Now we will study different properties of matrix multiplication. So there are some properties. We will take one by one. Properties of matrix multiplication. Properties of matrix multiplication. Now the first property, that is, in general, if we consider, we observe that matrix multiplication is not commutative. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. That is, always AB will not be equal to BA. In case of real numbers, we see that 2 multiplied by 3 is same as 3 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 5 is same as 5 multiplied by 4. 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. So in case of set of real numbers, multiplication is satisfying the law, that is commutative. Commutative law is satisfied by real numbers. But this law in general will not be satisfied. So if we consider two matrices A and B, then 4 different situations are there. Suppose we consider A and B are any two matrices. Then following situations will be there. Here we say that product AB defined or exists, but BA not exist. That will be the first situation. What is the second situation? AB does not exist. AB not exist or does not exist, but BA existing. BA exists. Third situation. Now AB existing, BA not existing. Let us check. Here, suppose I consider a matrix A having order 2 by 3 and matrix B is having order 3 by 3. Suppose A is a matrix of order 2 by 3. Now product AB will be existing if number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. Now the condition is satisfied, hence product AB is existing. Check about product BA. What are the columns in B? Columns in B are 3 and rows in A are 2. Now here the condition is not satisfied, hence we say that product BA is not existing. Suppose we consider matrix A is having order 3 by 3 and matrix B is having order 2 by 3. Here second situation, AB not existing, BA existing. Now here if A is of order 3 by 3 and B is having order 2 by 3. So to obtain product AB, check the condition, number of columns in prefactor must be equal to number of rows in post factor. Now B is the post factor, condition is not satisfied, number of columns in A 3, number of rows in B 2. The two numbers are different, hence here the condition is not satisfied, hence we say that product AB not existing. Now check the product BA, number of columns in B, that is 3, number of rows in A, that is 3. So here condition is satisfied, hence we say that BA existing. So this is the second situation. Now what is the third situation arises? Now product AB and BA both exist, but AB not equal to BA, For example, suppose we consider, suppose A is of order 2 by 3 and B is having order 3 by 2. Now what is the order of product AB? AB product existing, check the condition, number of columns in A equal to number of rows in B. So here product AB is existing. Now what is the order of AB? Order of AB is 2 by 2. Here order of AB is 2 by 2. What about BA? Number of columns in B. Number of columns in B are 2. Number of rows in A, these are also 2. And the order of BA is